Hello, welcome back guys. My name is Moin Akram and in this video we are going to make time vault. So let's get started. Press 1 and leave the dimension like this. Now let's make it thinner. Just like this. Set origin to geometry and press Alt G. It's here. Now disable the X-ray mode, select the face and press I on keyboard and maybe just a little bit. Now grab on y-axis around here. Okay, looking nice. Now alt left click, go to material tab and assign with PLA black. Okay, it's done. Now control R and make loop cuts around here because we are going to make it curve a whole tile. This is our tile. So press 1 front view, shift A, add UV sphere. Now go to shade mode and give it a sphere. Now scale it down. Press 7. Press 1. No. Now let's adjust it like this. Shift D on X axis and repeat the action with Shift R. Okay. Shift R, R, R. Now select. Now Shift D on Z axis and Shift R, Shift R, Shift R, Shift R. Okay, now select spheres and align with center. Okay, it's done. Now select fold tile and go to object and collection. Move to collection, name it new collection. Main tile. Now, okay, so this is our main tile. Now select this our main tile and grab it far away. Now shift D on X axis and leave here and go to collection and collection. Now it's come to collection menu like this. Now first thing is we need to copy this thing by shift D and press numpad on 2 on minus side, so it automatically set where it needed to go. Now shift R your first, shift D on -2. Now shift R, shift R and shift R, shift R, shift R, shift R, shift R, maybe more. Okay, that's done here. Now I want to say I'm fast forwarding this clip, but first thing is you need to delete these sphere for randomly for each tile, something like this, or like this. You need to delete like this, select or select or select, like this, like this, like this. So now I'm going to fast forwarding this, and you see how am I deleting these objects. So let's see. So now guys, first row is completed. Now select with B, and one more thing is everything is selected. Now shift D on Z axis by pressing Z and press 2. Okay, now left click. Now one more thing is press R on Y axis and type 180 degrees in Y axis and leave it here. Now align with this. Okay, it's done. Okay, it's working nice. Yes, maybe on one more time the axis. Okay, it's right. Now it's working nice. Let me tell you about one more thing is where is our main tile. Just copy our main tile one more time, and no, delete main tile, copy from these, shift D on Z axis about 2. Let's see it working like nice. Okay, it aligned with nice, very nice. Now select these spheres. Oh, I do deselect the cube and shift D and leave here. And move to collection. Now let's see, press 7. Okay, it working nice. Now one more time, select, shift D, x-axis -2. Okay, now shift D, x -2. Now shift R and R R R R R. Okay, one more time, randomly delete all these spheres. I know it's very hard, but this is the way. This is the only way I can figure out easy. Now fast forwarding the clip. So guys, our third row is completed. Now we need to do is copy. Okay, now shift D on Z axis about 2. Now left click. Now one more thing is rotate on Y axis about 180 degrees. Now what guys have to do is align this thing, this row with something like this. G on X axis around here. No, maybe something more. GX here. Now it's done. Okay, why it's so lagging? I don't know. Maybe there's some reason. Okay, now one more thing is copy about 4 tiles, 4 by 4, these tiles. Okay, now shift D on X axis, leave them here. Now press 7 and rotate on Z axis about plus 90 degrees and leave them here. Maybe one more, maybe I think we need one more row. So press 3, I think press 7. Just align with this. G on X axis, G on Y axis, around here. Now press B, copy one line, shift D on Y axis about -2. Okay, 5 is enough. Now press 1 and B to select this side. Okay, there's one more thing I need to do is F7. Now select B. Okay, lots of vertex and edges and faces. Now go to object. As you can see, there is no active object, so first select one of these spheres. Now press B and leave them here. Now go to object and joint. It will take some time, but it's done. Now as you can see, shift D on Y axis about 10, maybe -10, because it's 5 and 5 cross 2 is 10. Now rotate on Z axis about 180 degrees. Okay, maybe Control Z. Now select origin to geometry. Now rotate Z on 180 degree. Now rotate on Y on 180 degrees, so it looks like randomly we can see this. Now as you can see, this thing is completed. Now hide these. Now press 3, maybe Control 3. Okay, it's looking nice. Now also select these. First select one of the objects and now select whole. Now joint and origin to geometry. Okay, now enable collection and shift D on Y on X axis and rotate on Z 180 degree, and let's see how it looks like. Okay, so everyone, it's completed. Modeling is finally finishing. Now I had to do one more thing, is roof around here. So for roof we are going to do is some objects. Now shift A, add cube, go to edit mode, X-ray mode, make it thin, not so much. Okay, it is right. Let's do this thing one more time. Okay, better be fine. Now go to edit mode, select this side and do this. Select this side and also do this. Let's see how much space we need. Okay, around here, maybe around here. Another slide is coming up. Now press 1 and grab it down, and out of edit mode bring it up, grab it up and leave here. Okay, so let's do this, grab it up. Okay, now fine. Now make what, make loop cuts around. Okay, that's enough. Now gave it drill 01. Okay, it's fine. Now shift D on Y axis, same for the other side. Not so much gap. Okay, now as you can see it working nice. Now add one more cube. I know there is so much noise, but forget about this. Learning is first thing. Okay, 50 on the first, give the same material. We are applying curve modifier after remodeling this. So as you can see, now press 1 and go to solid view, and let's see how much scale we need. Grab down and direction Okay, that's enough. Now let's see. Okay, it's fine. Now one more thing is adding plan. Add a plan around here. Okay, now I think we need a separate plan. So plane, press 1, grab it up, leave here. Now 7, edit mode. Okay, one of the edges, select and make this like. Now one more thing is make two loop cuts around here. Now by cancelling, press right click. Now scale on y-axis, not so much. Okay, it's looking nice. Now go to inside view. Let's see how it is look like. Now select face, press I on keyboard. Okay, now extrude on z-axis. Okay, z-axis. Now let's give it new material and name this with emission. Anything you want. Assign with emission, a new material. Okay, now it's nice. It's done. Now add another plane around here. Around here, scale, and this is completed. Now in the next part, we are going to make it curve and more realistic look. So goodbye guys and stay tuned with me. Wait for second part.